Hello everybody, Easy Hack here. Today I got some mail in, and guess what I went and ordered? A uSDX little handheld radio. And I'll leave a link in the description of the guys that designed it and their website. And you can check out their list on where they got it from. I got mine from AliExpress, Uptech store. But I recommend that you check their website first and get the recommended list, because they just had a big problem with one person. Like, this is their design, and they want you to ship everything the way they designed it, so people don't have problems when you substitute stuff for cheaper parts to make money off a product. Because, you know, making I paid $120 for this in Canada from the Uptech store, and I'm happy with it. It came with a good kit. Now, this is what it came with. I don't know if they've gone and substituted it, but this is why I'm doing this video, to help the designers, because if they substitute parts, he doesn't have to provide any support for it, because he doesn't know what they're selling. So how can he help the people that want to build his stuff? And he's not making no money. So let's see what's in this package here. Well, I don't have any tools to test this or tune this. And you guys did not see that. So, this is our first kit. Looks like pretty nice. I'm pretty happy. So that's the first one. This is the second one. Should be more to it, right? There should be a whole bunch of parts. The solder, you would think. Okay, so there's the second board. Got this. And I got this speaker. Okay. Oh yeah. And it came with this too. So these are all the parts. So I'm gonna put those back in their stack bag, because I'm waiting. So my flux didn't come in. Everything else came in, but my flux didn't come in. Pretty sure I need flux to solder this up, right? Pretty sure. Okay. I'm just gonna put this camera down somewhere. We'll go like this. Yeah, I'm in a basement, guys. Okay, so there we go. Putting everything back in here. And just so when you first unboxing, I got this from the Uptech store at AliExpress. See all the solder parts? That's what you get. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm looking for, the light. We're scanning. Okay. So you've seen that. It's going in the bag. It's back in the bag. Static protection bag. Now let's go through all the components that we got in our kit for our $100 and some. It's a pretty good profit, because basically 5 boards is about 25 bucks at, you know, JBL PCB. And then to get them populated would probably be another, that's a Node MCU, so that'd probably be another $25 to populate it, right? And the parts in this bag would probably be another, say, $10. And they buy them in bulk, even cheaper. So that's what I got in my kit. See that? Does that look like everything's there? I didn't get no list. I got this. And that's it. So I guess I did get a list. That is the kit. That's what your kit consists of from the Uptech store. Got these. It's a jack. Another jack. These thyroids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, I think 13 black ones and 2, 4, 6 red ones. Got a potentiometer clicker thingy. Probably, got these ones. But really, I don't see it. They can't substitute really anything here. There's a note saying I have to take the 2 capacitors off the screen. Really, if they substituted stuff, like what was that company substituting for 1? That would be a good question. And for 2, like, okay, we got the wire. I'm probably going to use some thicker wire on a couple of my things there, because I want the big one. But anyways, so that's what we got. I don't see how a company could really substitute anything. I don't even want to put the speaker on. Do I have to put the speaker on, or is it optional? Because I think the speaker is just something that I would use. So I got that. Look familiar? Did it already break, or do I have to solder? Okay, I have to solder that on there. I didn't know that. Okay. So we'll put that all back together. And I'm not going to show you the speaker, but easy hack out. Have a good day, guys. Hopefully you watch to the end. And you guys can always click the buttons. You know where they're at. Ciao.